Hey yo boys, welcome back to today's video. The ultimate guide, okay? The ultimate guide on how to actually play Hunters. A lot of you been asking yourself, how do I even play Hunters? What do I do? But it's simple. You roll for these weapons and swords, then you pretty much equip these armors, as you guys can see. Most of your top items are pretty much the best ones, the bottom ones are the worst ones. There is luck potions, which you can enable to roll better weapons, and when you eventually roll yourself some cool weapons, you'll be able to fight in these dungeons and actually progress your ranks. Okay, there's ranks, there's awakenings. We have the worst rank right now. We need to get to level 20 to rank up, and we need to do that by actually doing these dungeons in Hunters. And this is a brand new game. You can also watch my other video because I did show you some codes. If you need all the codes, click on my other video so you can actually get yourself all the codes in Hunters right now. Let's see. Let's start with the starter quest, okay? Why did I say no, not my problem? I would say that any day, okay? Roll 3 times. Reach level 5, complete the singularity dungeon on regular. So if you double tap W, you can run. Double tap W is run, Q is dash, so WQ is dash. You can jump only once, and this is where you can actually create yourself a singularity dungeon with the requirements, and you can start it off like this. The UI is very smooth, it's very beautiful. And also guys, if you do need luck potions, I'll be giving away some luck potions today to you guys. The only thing that you need to comment is Hunters. So if you comment down below Hunters, you can actually get yourself a luck potion. We have to dodge these monsters and try to not take damage at all. We can do that by just simply dashing away. I don't think there is a block mechanic right now, so just spamming Q. Okay, you're taking a lot of damage. That is not the plan. Shift lock is the way. Shift lock is the way to actually try not to take any damage. We did get a decent sword, but as you guys can see, the dungeon is getting harder and harder, and I don't think we are gonna make it. We need a party for this, okay? We actually need a party for this. We are getting smacked. We are getting smacked, but we're getting experience, and that is the most important thing. We're getting experience so we can actually level up, and once we hit level 20, we can actually awaken. So sometimes I don't actually know. Oh my god, okay. Gotta run away. You gotta run away from these mages. Look at these mages. Okay, these mages are super overpowered. I'm trying to get close. Okay, we have to dash. Like otherwise these mages will not not get close to you at all. We also have stamina, I believe. I'm not sure where my stamina is at because it takes so long to dash again. We're only on the wave 5, that is crazy. So I believe I have to go back. I have to back out to the lobby because look how extremely difficult this is. We have to get better weapons. Like these weapons and this armor, it's not gonna cut it. It is not going to cut it. Oh, okay. Take care of these mages. Take care of these mages. Take care of these mages, because these mages will just demolish our whole family. So we have to be careful. Take care of the mages first, and then fight the other swordsman. I'm stuck. That is insane. That is insane. Yo, 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 1 HP, 1 HP, 1 HP. Okay, wave number 8. Do I just give up? I'm giving up, guys. I'm giving up. Oh, we have to go back. We actually have to go back. You can also get a free game pass by playing for 30 minutes. Do I have multiple lives? Why do I have multiple lives? I thought when you die it's over. So we have multiple lives. So this game is just easy mode. It turned into easy peasy mode, huh? The game turned into easy peasy mode. Maybe we have a limited amount of lives. Let's see. I'm gonna skip this part because it's gonna get boring. Wait, we're fighting the boss. Yeah, how do you dodge that? How do you even dodge that? There is. Can I block? I'm trying to block. I'm trying to block. We can block. Interesting. So you can press F to block, and then you can attack with click. Okay, we can block again. So you have to block while fighting the boss. So otherwise you're GG's. Yeah, the range of this boss is insane. Anyways, we did level up, so we learned something new. You can block you can actually block with the letter F on your keyboard. Anyways, this is pretty much how you play the game, and progress, also rank up, and also awaken yourself in Hunters. Don't forget to comment the secret word if you do need lucky potions in the game. I'll be gifting those to you guys. And like the video, subscribe.